Hello student, today we are going to start cross multiplication method. Now we will start the first problem, which is given as 2x plus 3y is equal to 17, 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. In cross multiplication you have to write down x, y and minus 1. Okay, now below this you have to start writing the coefficient from this is 3 minus 2. Okay, then go to this one, that is 17, 6. Okay, then again write down the coefficient of x, that is 2 and 3. Okay, and stop here again 3 and minus 2. This is also known as B cap rule. Okay, B को cap बनाना है means that is called a B cap rule. Means we rotate here and stop here. Okay, write down here as a arrows like this. First you have to multiply this minus of this. Okay, by writing this one. Okay, now I am writing here x upon, what will come here, 3 into 6 I am writing. Now substitute minus sign in between them, again write 17 into minus 2. Okay, now write down the y, then again I will multiply 17 into 3. Okay, then again I will put minus sign here and write down 6 into 2. Okay, now is equal to minus 1 upon, I will write down 2 into minus 2. Okay, minus sign is between them is 3 into 3. Okay, now I will start here by solving x. 3 6 18 plus 17 into minus 2 is minus 34, and minus minus will come to be plus. Write down here 34. Okay, now write down, simplify the y also. 17 3 51. Okay, minus 12. Again write down, simplify minus 1, minus 4, minus 9 will come here. Okay, now what I will get, x upon 52, y upon 39, and minus 1 upon minus 13 will come. Now this minus sign will get cancelled with this minus 1. Now I will get the simplified form. Now I am equating 1 with 3. X upon 52 is equal to 1 upon 13. So what will come? X is equal to 52 divided by 13. So my answer of x is equal to 4, and this is the correct answer. Now I am equating y. Now y upon 39 is equal to, again I am writing 1 by 13, means I am equating x with constant, y with constant. Now again y is equal to 39 upon 13. So what I will get, y is equal to 3. These are the required values for the given simultaneous equation by cross multiplication method. You can apply any method in examination, the answer remains the same. Now we will go to the another problem. Problem number 2, in which the coefficient of x and y are given variables a and b, and constant number is also in the form of a minus b and a plus b. For this we start with writing x, y and minus 1. Okay. Now from which I will start here? From the coefficient of y. So I will write down this as a b, minus a will come here. Then I will go to this term, means a minus b, a plus b. Okay. Now I will go to this one, means a, b and minus a. Okay. Now I will start multiplying this and minus this one. Okay. Write down x upon b into a plus b. Now substitute minus sign here. Minus a means this will come to be plus a into a minus b. Okay, understand? Now I am writing here y. Now b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, b multiplied by a minus b. Again I will substitute the minus sign, a into a plus b. Okay. Now I will write down here this one as minus 1 upon a into minus a. Okay. Then I will substitute minus sign here, b into b. Okay. Now what will come here? Now simplify this one by one. X upon ab plus b square plus a square minus ab. Okay. Now simplify y. Y is upon ab minus b square minus a square minus ab. Okay. Now what will come here? Minus 1 upon minus a square minus b square. Okay. Now here ab will get cancelled. My answer x upon will come to be a square plus b square. Okay. Y upon what will come here? Here also ab get cancelled, but here both the terms are minus, so I will take out minus sign. So I will get a square plus b square inside the bracket. Okay. Now in minus 1 also I will take out the common minus sign. So I will get a square plus b square. This minus sign will go with this. Now I will start to equating the first x with constant number, x upon a square plus b square is equal to 1 upon a square plus b square. Okay. Now x upon is equal to a square plus b square upon a square plus b square. So what I will get? X is equal to 1. Okay. This is the value of x. Now what I will do? I will equate y. Okay. Minus a square plus b square is equal to plus b square. Okay. Now I will transfer this whole term. So y is equal to minus a square plus b square upon a square plus b square. Now this will get cancelled. What will I will get? Y is equal to minus 1, and this is the required value of y for the given problems. Okay. This problem is very important for the examination point of view.